The sound of onions sauteing is the most beautiful thing in the kitchen. And then it gets fragrant. You start smelling the onions. And then, you know, it's time to cook. I'm doing simple snacks, playing the fool all day's night, and it's about simple snacks. So this one, brought to you by the folks at Old El Paso. I'm in a Mexican kind of mood, and I'm going to be doing some pork wraps for the entire season, guys. During the holidays, a lot of times we bake a ham and we bake the pork and we do all the meats and the fanciness, and then sometimes there are little leftovers. And I've been kind of showing you how easy it is to take those leftovers, or even take some of the meats that you do and turn it into another dish with another twist. So that's kind of what I've been doing for the entire season. So I have some pork that I sliced up here. I kind of sliced it. If you look at how I did the vegetables, the pork, all together in one. And what I really am doing here is sending a little heat through it. So I want a little salt, season very quickly. Onions, peppers, and some pork slices. As I said, if you have turkey, I have some smoked paprika and some cayenne pepper, just for a little heat. Mix that all together. And you just really want to heat through everything. Get everything combined nicely. Delicious. So guys, Old El Paso has these wonderful tortillas, flour tortillas. Some people like their tacos, the hard shells. I really love the pliable flour tortilla. I just think it's so easy to handle. That's just my preference. But there are some of you, if you're hard shells, soft shells, hey, I'm not getting in between the debate. But I'm using soft shells today. What I'm really excited about is this Old El Paso cilantro lime fire roasted verde sauce. It really just is the perfect combination for when you're placing whatever meats you're doing. I was actually thinking you could actually just kind of do a little squirt on your meat right there. Give it a little toss, because hey, it just kind of flavors it up nicely. But what I'm actually going to do is start by squirting just a little bit. And then guys, I just want to take a little bit of pork and some vegetables and my peppers. You see, I added some nice orange peppers that I forgot. Top with some cheese. And a little dollop of sour cream. This is your perfect wrap. That's for you, and I'm going to do one for me now. This right here is the perfect pork wrap. Thanks to the folks at Old El Paso. Have a happy new year, everyone. Whatever you do going into the new year, let it bring what you wished for: health, happiness and best wishes from me here at Cover Joe. I'm going to take a bite into this pork baby.